82. This is a tree. This is a branch of the tree. An apple is on this branch. It is over the girl's head. She will take the apple from the branch. She will put her hand up. She put her hand up. She took the apple. It is in her hand. She took the apple which is in her hand. She has it in her hand. She is putting it in her basket. She put it in her basket. She had it in her hand before she put it in her basket. It was on the branch before she put her hand up and took it. After she took the apple, she put it in the basket. Then she put her basket down. The apple was up on the tree. Now it is down in the basket. Page 83. When was the apple on the branch? When was it over her head? It was on the branch before she took it. It was on the branch then. When did she take it? She took it after she put her hand up. She took it then. When did she put it in the basket? She put it in the basket after she took it from the branch. When did she have the apple in her hand? She had it in her hand after she took it from the branch and before she put it in the basket. Page 84. This is a box. This is the front of the box. This is a house. This is the front of the house. This is the front door. This is the back of the box, and these are the sides of the box. This is a coat. This is the front of the coat. Page 85. These are the arms of the coat. These are the sides of the coat. And this is the back of the coat. These are a man's arms. These are his sides. And this is his back. Page 86. Who is this? This is Ms. Smith. She is Mary Smith. Mary Smith is her name. What is that? What is in her hands? It is a tray. She has a tray in her hands. She will put the tray on the table. She is putting the tray on the table. Page 87. She put the tray on the table. It was in her hands. It is on the table now. Here is the tray. What are these things on the tray? These are glasses. What are these? They are forks. What is this? It is a knife. What are these? They are two other knives. What are these? They are spoons. What is this? It is another spoon. What is this? It is a plate. These are three other plates. Page 88. Ms. Smith is taking a knife and fork off the tray. She has them in her hands. She is putting them on the table. Now she is putting the plates on the table. She put the knives and forks and spoons and plates and glasses on the table. She put these things on the table. Page 89. Mary Smith will go from the table to the door. She is going to the door. The door is shut. She went out of the room. The door is open now. It was shut. Mary Smith is not in the room. She was in the room. She went out of the room. Page 90. What is this?
It is a knife.
What is this?
It is a fork.
What is this?
It is a spoon.
What is this?
It is a plate.
What are these?
These are knives.
What is this?
This is a hat.
What is this?
This is a head.
What is this?
This is a hand.
What is this?
This is a house.
What are these?
These are glasses.
What is this?
This is a window.
What is this?
This is a tray.
What is this?
This is a picture.
What are these things?
These are a knife, a spoon, a plate, a fork, a door, a hat, and a glass.
Page 91. Mary is making soup. This is a plate of soup. She will make the soup from milk and potatoes. These are potatoes. This is a bottle of milk. It is cow's milk. This is a cow. Cows are animals. These are some other animals. A pig, a sheep, a horse. We get milk from cows. Mary is putting some milk in a cup. The milk is going into the cup. Page 92. Mary has a potato in her hand. She is taking its skin off with a knife. We get potatoes from the roots of a plant. Here they are in the earth. We get them up with a fork. This is a plant. This is its flower. These are its leaves. These are its fruit. This is a branch. This is its stem. These are its roots. These are roots of other plants. Page 93. Mary is making the soup. This is the pot. This is the cover of the pot. She will make the soup in this pot. She put the potatoes in the pot. The water in the pot is boiling. This is steam. This is a flame. The pot is over the flame. The flame is under the pot. Page 94. This water is boiling. It is giving off steam. The heat of the flame is making it give off steam. Ice is solid. This is ice. Water is a liquid. This is water. This is a tray. It is a tray of ice. Ice is cold. The room is warm. The heat of the flame is making the room warm. The things in the room are warm. Ice is not warm. It is cold. Page 95. This is a bird. It is on a tree. The other birds are not on the tree. They are in the air. This is a plane. It is in the air. It is an airplane. It is going through the air. These are airplanes. We take in air through our mouths and through our noses. The air comes in. Then it goes out. That is a breath. The air is coming out. It is warm. When it comes out, it is warm. Put your hand here. Your breath is warm. Page 96. The room is warm. The water in the pot is very warm. It is boiling. The air over the flame is very warm. It goes up. The air under the flame is not very warm. It goes up to the flame. This is the icebox. It has ice in it. The air in the icebox is cold. This is milk. These are eggs. This is the icebox. Mary keeps the milk in the icebox. She keeps it in the cold air. The air in the icebox is cold. The cold air keeps the milk cold. Page 97. This is a clock. A clock is an instrument for measuring time. This is an instrument for measuring heat. Very warm, warm, cold, very cold. This is a measure. It is a yard measure. There are 3 feet in a yard. There are 12 inches in a foot. This is Mary's foot. These are her feet. This is John's foot. It is 10 inches long. Page 98. The walls and floor of the icebox are thick. This is a thin line. This is a thick line. The thick walls keep the heat of the room out of the icebox. They keep the heat from the milk. The cold air in the icebox keeps the milk good. John is having a drink. He is having a drink of milk from a glass. The milk is good. John is happy. This milk is not good. It is bad. John is not happy. Page 99. This is meat. Mary keeps the meat in the icebox. This is bread. Mary does not keep the bread in the icebox. She keeps it in a bread box. This is cheese. We make cheese from milk. We get milk from cows. This is butter. We make butter from milk. Mary keeps the butter with the milk in the icebox. She keeps the cheese there. Page 100. These are apples. These are oranges. Apples and oranges are fruit. Does Mary keep the fruit in the icebox? What is the time? The time is 5. It is 5. Mary will make the soup. What is the time? It's 5:30. Mary is making the soup. The potatoes are in the pot. The water in the pot is boiling. It is 5:40. Mary has a fork in her hand. She is putting the fork into the potatoes. Page 101. The potatoes are hard. The fork does not go into them. It is 5:50. Mary is putting the fork in again. She is doing it again. The potatoes are soft. The fork goes into them. She is taking them out of the pot and putting them on a plate.